Today I would like to show you guys how to join an event. So here you can just log in here, and you can also sign in with LinkedIn if you want. So all you need to do to join an event is, if you go here, if you have already signed up an event or been issued a ticket, you will see them show up here. So here, this is the event that I created before, and this is the event that I would like to go in right now. So if you're on a PC or an iOS device, all you need to do is just click this launch button. It will pop up a prompt, and you just hit open, and as long as you have the app installed, this should launch. So here you can select a sort of screen resolution and all that, and also you can change your input keys if you want to, and just hit play. So here it has launched, and it logged me in right away, so it's a single sign-on experience. Here I'm just going to select an avatar, so I select this guy. And next, because you're launching from the web portal, it will also directly right away to this event itself, instead of showing you a whole bunch of list of events. However, if you just log in directly from the app, you will see a list of events, and you just need to click on it. So now the event has been loaded. There's a quick instruction there, and I don't know if you saw that. So the sponsor logos were loaded in at runtime as well. So let's walk through this event. So as you can see, it's all in 3D here. By default, you would hold down the right mouse button to rotate your view, and you can use